Good day, viewer. Today I want to prepare egusi soup, and the first thing I will put in the oil is salt. The second thing is onions, and the third one, this one you see here, is tomatoes, onions and pepper. I blend 3 of them together, and I filter it very well so that the sweetness of these tomatoes will not too much for the food. So I want to put it now. After the tomatoes now, I will put this soup now in fire. Then it will boil, because I blend this oil very well before I put it here. Just because when we are doing the video, we don't have like nice gas that I'm using. That's why I take the oil from the fire. I'm supposed to leave it in the fire. So as I pack everything inside now, I will carry it straight to the gas and go and put it in fire. When it boils like 20 minutes, I have to put my melon. I will put the melon inside. After the melon boil like 10 minutes again, this is my crab. If you like, you can use crab. If you like, don't use. For me, I like it very well. That's why I'm using it, and it gives blood. This is my meat, and this is my fish. So when I put this soup in fire now, when it boils like 20 minutes, I will now add my melon. After I add the melon, I will put the fish and the meat. After the meat, the crab. Then when I put it, I will leave it like 20 minutes time again. I will put the fish so that the fish will not scatter. After that, when the food is almost done, before I will put my bitter leaf and ugu leaf. And that is the last thing I will put. So the last thing I will put, after I put the ugu, the ugu and the bitter leaf, that is the last thing. I will now add 1 tube of Maggi. If you don't like it, you will not put it on, because the soup is already sweet. Maybe at times I will not even put Maggi because of the tomatoes and the ingredients, the things are sweet. You can just leave it like that. But if you want it, you can still put 1 cube of Maggi. That is the last thing you will put. The salt is already inside, mixed with everything you put there. I will carry it down. So when I put it down, I will come back to you again. Putting the melon. This one put in nice garlic. This one put in nice garlic. When you put the garlic to turn the soup, then you put your meat. This is the meat. As you put the meat now, I will put the crab also. As I put it now, I will cover it. When I cover it, maybe like 10 minutes time before I will put the fish. I want to put the bitter leaf. After bitter leaf, I will turn it. When I turn it, I put the fish, I cover it. After the fish, the last thing I will put is ugu. That is pork leaf. Yes, I put my bitter leaf now. This time now is the fish I will put. I will cover it now. The last thing I will put, I may now video it again. After the soup boil now like 20 minutes, I will now put the pork leaf, which is the ugu leaf. So I will not video again. This is the last thing I will put. After it boil like 20 minutes, like 10 minutes, after I put the pork leaf, I will leave it like 10 minutes, then remove it from fire. That is it.